Think you need to break the bank for a solid gaming PC? The new AM5 processors just made things easier. Here's the thing. AMD's AM5 platform gives you incredible upgrade potential without the premium price tag. You can snag a Ryzen 5 7600 for between $150 to $200, and you're already in serious gaming territory. For your GPU, the RTX 4060 Ti is the sweet spot right now. It'll crush 1440p gaming without destroying your wallet. And here's a pro tip. Don't forget 32 GB of DDR5 RAM for better and faster speeds. I know it sounds like overkill, but with how games are evolving, you'll thank me later. The beauty of AM5 is future-proofing. Start with a solid B650 motherboard, and you can upgrade your CPU down the line without changing anything else. Quick build tip, invest in a good power supply first. It's the foundation everything else relies on. A quality 650 watt 80 plus gold unit will serve you for years. Bottom line, you can build a beast of a gaming rig for under $1,200 that'll handle anything you throw at it. The AM5 platform just made budget gaming builds way more exciting.